Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about the COVID-19 situation in the country during the virtual global celebrations of Buddha Purnima. Narendra Modi said, COVID-19 is the worst crisis humanity is facing in decades.
Last year also, I had addressed a Vesak Day program. That program was dedicated to all frontline workers leading humanity's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. A year later, we are seeing a mix of continuity and change. The COVID-19 pandemic had not left us. Several nations, including India, have experienced a second wave. This is the worst crisis humanity faces in decades. We have not seen a pandemic like this for a century.
The Prime Minister extended condolences to families who lost their dear ones and said that he grieves with them. Modi further said that COVID-19 has hugely impacted the economy and said that the planet won't be the same post-pandemic.
The pandemic has impacted every nation. The economic impact is huge as well. Our planet will not be the same after COVID-19. In the times to come, we will certainly remember events as either pre-COVID or post-COVID.
The Prime Minister said that we now have a better understanding of the pandemic and vaccines to fight the virus. He thanked frontline and healthcare workers and said they risk their lives every day to serve others in need.
We now have a better understanding of the pandemic, which strengthens our strategy to fight it. Most importantly, we have the vaccine, which is absolutely important to save lives and defeat the pandemic. The emergence of a vaccine in a year of the pandemic striking shows the power of human determination and tenacity. India is proud of our scientists who have worked on the COVID-19 vaccines.
Narendra Modi spoke about the need to focus on climate change and other challenges along with COVID-19.
Friends, COVID-19 is certainly a major challenge we face. While we do everything possible to fight it, we must not lose sight of the other challenges humanity faces. One of the biggest challenges is that of climate change. Reckless lifestyle of the present threaten the coming generations. Weather patterns are changing. Glaciers are melting. Rivers and forests are in danger. We cannot let our planet remain wounded.
Meanwhile, India reported over 2 lakh COVID-19 cases and 4,157 deaths in the last 24 hours. The active number of COVID-19 cases in the country stands at 24.95 lakhs.